Hello guys, this video is about setting Java Home in Windows. The same procedure will apply Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and the new Windows 11. For the new programmers and beginners, it is difficult to set the Java Home so that Java C and Java compiler will be available throughout the computer. Let's begin. So start with open the Chrome and Google Java SE. You will find Java Oracle downloads. Go to downloads and look for latest JDK. Or if you want to download a previous version, you can get it from the archives, Java archives. Okay, we are going to get the file for Windows. Get the MSI installer, click it to download, and once you click it, it will start downloading automatically. I have already downloaded it, so I have it here. So let's install JDK and double click it to run and set all the defaults. This will install the JDK into C drive, and it's if your operating system is 64-bit, it will be installed in program files Java, and it is installed here. Now let's set the Java home. Okay, type here environment variables, open this. Now click environment variables. Okay, now I have already created it here. Let me delete so that I can create it again. Okay, new. Okay, write Java underscore home and browse to the directory where Java is installed. It is C drive, program files, and then Java, and the folder JDK version. Install. Oh, sorry. Select it, open it. It will create a system variable. Now edit the path. Edit. Click new, and now percentage Java home percentage \bin. Make sure you start and end the Java home name with percentage sign, and then backslash and then bin. Click OK, then click OK, and then click OK. Now open the console, enter path to view Java is C. Java has been added. Now we can check Java minus version. Okay, Java is installed here. This is latest Java 18. You can use it now anywhere in the computer. Let's see. Let's say this is new folder. Open it with VS Code. In some video I will guide you how to install and set up VS Code for the Java. Let's add program welcome.java. Okay, public class welcome, public static void main and string. Let's increase the fonts. And system.out.println hello world. Okay, terminal. And change the PowerShell to CMD command prompt. Okay, Java C welcome.java. Okay, I need to save it. And to run Java and welcome. See, welcome is printed. This is how we will set the Java home to make Java C available throughout the computer, and you can run it from any directory. Thank you guys. See you with the next video.